Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you how to restore, delete videos, delete photos. Friends, recently deleted photos, videos you want to restore in your device. So how to restore one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel, guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your Redmi mobile phone album gallery. After the phone gallery, if you delete photos, videos in your device, select your photos, videos. After select, delete. After delete, friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, click your album. After an album, friends, last also friends, first option click here. Select your photos and videos. So friends, which photo video friends you want to select? Select your photos. You want to restore. After select, right side you can delete permanently and left side you can restore this photos and video. Click here by photo and video will restore. And friends, if you select delete, after select photos and video permanently you want to delete from your phone, and click here guys, you can see permanently delete. After it you cannot restore these photos and videos, and get this photo and video guys will restore which we have deleted. And friends, if you delete photos from your Google Photos, select your photos, video, delete, allow. After allow, friends, click here back button. Again open your phone Photos app. Left side click bin. Select your photos. Right side restore, left side delete. If you click delete, friends, permanently you will have to delete this photo. So friends, right click here, photo will restore. And friends, you can edit photos. So like that friends, we can delete photos, we can restore photos, we can restore delete photos and video in Redmi mobile. And friends, you have Google file, this blue one, Google file you have, click here, select your photo and video. So this photo friends I will delete. After delete, friends, click here left side, select your photo, video, right if you click, permanently delete. After it friends, you cannot restore. You want to restore, select your photos and videos again, and friends, click here left side, restore to file, and a file will restore. So friends, you want to delete permanently, you can delete photo and video permanently, and you want to restore your photo video, you can restore. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.